So the question is the function fx pi by 4 plus tan inverse x is and where mod x is greater than or equal to 1, and another is 1 by 2 mod x minus 1 where mod x is less than 1, and these are other options. Let's now move to the solution. So this is the solution. Here the fx is given, and as in the question x was written as x mod, so we have taken plus x and minus x to satisfy both the values. After that, at x is equal to 1, we have put fx is equal to 1, and then the value will come as pi by 2 after solving this equation, and at 1 f1 plus it comes as 0. Thus it is discontinuous and non-differentiable. Then we will check it at x is equal to minus 1. After putting minus 1 in fx, we would get 0, and if we put minus 1 minus on the this one, we would get also 0. This proves it is continuous at x is equal to minus 1. So now we will differentiate the fx, though we will get this tan inverse x will become this, and 1 by 2 x will be taken out, and we have 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Then we will again check the value of fx at minus 1. After solving, we would get minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 on this one. This proves so that at x is equal to minus 1, it is not differentiable. Thus, option 3 is the answer.